Alright everybody, welcome back. I'm going to do a review of these Bao Buns. This one is sesame chicken. I have another one. It's the Chinese style barbecue pork. My wife really liked these ones, the chicken, sesame chicken one, so I'm going to review that one. You can do this three ways. You can steam it, you can microwave it, you can air fry it. I think steaming takes too long, so I'm gonna microwave it. Air frying, I did this company's what did I make yesterday? Dumplings, and it didn't come out good. It's way better any other way than that, so I didn't like it air fried, so I'm not gonna air fry them. I'm gonna microwave them, and they should come out just right. And here's what it looks like before we microwave it. It comes just like this, wrapped up like this, and you leave it like that and you microwave it for 1 minute, just like that. Alright, so let's go. See you guys in 1 minute. Here it is after 1 minute. You can see it's all puffed up. So I am not an expert on these, but my wife is. She really likes them, so let me try it, and I'll give you my amateur opinion. Alright, still a little hot. It's been about a minute out of the microwave. It holds its heat real well. So that's the top, sides, it's the bottom. A little hot, which is good. I like it. Take a bite, see what happens. It's really good. I really like it. Wow. Taste the ginger chicken. It's good. Wow. Still a little hot, but excellent. Wow. There it is. Excellent. It's a great snack. 1 minute to microwave one to go. If you need a quick bite, if your kid needs a quick lunch, this is excellent. This is really good. For a quick bite, for a kid's quick lunch, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5. It's getting real hot out here. I'm gonna finish this up. This is really good, guys. Get one if you can find it, whenever you're at. Other than that, thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll find something to review. Bye.